Did you know you can make hamburgers in the air fryer? Let's see how simple these really are, shall we? We're only going to need a couple things. We're going to make some tater tots to go with it. Because a full course meal is good. Alright, so today we are going to make these burger patties in the air fryer. We're going to need to preheat our air fryer for 400 degrees and set the timer for 7 minutes so it can get preheated. Once our air fryer is preheated, we'll take our burgers and set them inside here. And then let them cook. Check on them in half the time so that we can flip them. After 3.5 minutes, we will flip these over so that we can cook the other side, like so. After 7 minutes, this is how mine came out. We're going to let these rest. If you want cheese, you could put cheese on here and leave it in there for 1 minute, unplug it so if your machine kicks back on, it doesn't blow the cheese off. But what will go good with these? Let's make some tater tots. For these broccoli and cheese tater tots, we're going to preheat our air fryer for 400 degrees for 13 to 16 minutes. I find 15 is the right mark for me. So let me get this air fryer preheating real quick. Once our air fryer is preheated, we'll be adding our broccoli tater tots. 6 is a serving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we set the timer. We have it. Put it back in so it can start cooking. At about 7.5 minutes, we will now start to flip these all over. Well, 7.5 minutes for us, it'll be half of whatever you set your timer for. You see how they're getting all that color now? Put it back in to finish. After 15 minutes, these are how mine came out. So now it's time to make a plate. Ta-da! Then you can add whatever condiments you want. But this is how it came out with mustard on it after in the air fryer. The seasoning's got a kick to it, but it was seasoned at the store, so it's not bad. Got a nice little zing to it. And then our broccoli, cheese tater tots. Very crunchy, which is what you want. You don't want mush, not for tater tots. But these were the broccoli cheese tots. If you could leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. And don't forget, subscribe. And happy eating.